Hello, in this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you different DIYs that you're not only going to use them for yourself, but you're going to be able to sell them. My goal is to turn your hobbies into a business. Here we are again, and today I'm going to share with you how I do a personalized onesie. And for those items, you are going to need the onesie that you will order. They ordered me a newborn. You also going to need a measuring tape or a ruler. Today, because this is the only one that I'm going to be doing, I'm not going to turn on my heat press, but I'm going to be using this. This is from Cricut. This is very handy, and I'm going to turn it on to the second little wave right here. When you put it all the way up here, that's almost 400 degrees. So I'm just going to keep it on the second one. Okay, so and plus we're going to be needing black vinyl. I'm going to put in the description box all the items that we're going to use and links to them. This is a vinyl that I get from this guy because his vinyl, it's very easy to read, especially small letters that sometimes when you pull in the vinyl, the letter comes with it because it's so small. With this one, you don't have a problem. So that's what we're going to be using. This is what she wants on hers. She wants it on a white onesie, and she wants the letters all in black. So I already have a video that shows you how to download images or pictures and how to clean it up. So you can, I'm going to put the link up here so you can do that. And so we don't repeat the videos, we're just going to move along. So what I'm going to do, because this is all one color, what I did was, let me separate this. I put all the different, this is one font, this is another font, and this is another font. So I line them together how I want them. Then what I do is I go here and pick it all up, and then I go up here to align, and I go center horizontally. And there they are. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring them and put them like where I want them. And then this one the same where I want it. So I already have all my all the phrases and all the writing I wanted. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, because it's all one color, I'm going to get it together, and then I'm going to go weld. So if you look up here, let me bring it back. If this is without the weld, so you can see that here's one text, here's another one. They're all in separate lines. So when you grab it together, just like that, and remember we said we cannot go any bigger than 5 inches. So right here. So once you grab it all together, you go down here, right in here, and you do weld. And that's going to automatically, look, see right here, it already put everything together. Okay, there it is. So now we're going to go to make it. And remember that when you do vinyl, you need to go mirror. Okay, so then you cannot, when you see it on the screen, all the letters are all the way to the corner of the mat. So you're going to bring them just a little tiny bit down. Okay, just like that. So we're going to go, I'm going to go ahead and go continue. And I'm going to go ahead and print it, and we'll continue with the next step. Okay, here it is. See that? Right there. Made with a whole lot of love. And then the medications that she has to use right now that she's pregnant. So now what we're going to do, we're going to use our pillow. And I know there's a lot of pillows that are very cheap, but make sure that you get one from Cricut. This is so nice. I already talked about the other ones, the other pillows that have like a shiny material, and those get super, super hot. So here's my here's my my onesie, and I'm gonna get a roller, and I'm gonna get any hair that may be on the t-shirt. Then I'm going to iron over it just a little tiny bit, just to get all the wrinkles from it. Okay, just like that. It's always very handy to have something small like this for any small projects. So there it is. So now I'm gonna get my little print that I want, and I'm just gonna put it like where right in. I leave 2 fingers up here, and then I put it right in the middle, and I'm gonna use some tape. And remember, I'm gonna put the links of everything that I use in the description box, so you can look for them, so you can find them right away. Especially, like I said, the guy from the vinyl. So you can either just go ahead and start pressing just like this, but I'm gonna use my thermal sheet. And this one I got 3 of, I think they're 16 by 20. I got 3 for like $8, and I cut 1. I use these ones when I do tumblers, and they have worked really nicely. So we're just gonna go over and press for a few seconds, just like so. Maybe about 10 to 12 seconds. Here it is. Another thing that you gotta make sure when you buy your vinyl is that you gotta make sure and put a little, once you open it, if the description, the instructions of your vinyl is on the plastic wrapper, make sure that you put a little paper inside the, like inside here, right inside here, that tells you if it's a cold peel or a hot peel. Okay, so look at how beautiful. See that? So now that I know that the letters are already nicely there, I'm gonna go ahead and go over it just like this, just to be sure, because I'm not using the big heat press. Okay, so here's the finished product. Look at how beautiful it looks. So this is all for me, you guys. I hope you are able to get something out of this video. If you are enjoying my videos, I will appreciate it that if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like it and share. And everything else is on the description box. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And stay safe. Until next time, thank you.